I find this course very informative. There are a lot of things I've learned so far through the course, and the instructor is very helpful and has taught us throughout the whole sort of manual and all those, and also the sort of role play that we're involved in. So I would recommend this course to anyone who wish to learn more.
I've learned a lot in this course. It's interesting, it's fun, and I would encourage everyone to come and to attend this course because the tips the trainer Max given was, I think it's really useful, and you can use it on a daily life.
I find this course is very interesting because you actually learn different stages of negotiation, that you will also discover the way how you negotiate, and you will learn a lot more from here.
The course provided by the Advanced Learning Center is really interesting and fun. The lecturers is also very interesting, share with us a lot of details in terms of doing our businesses. And over here, we really gain a lot and hope to go further from there. Thank you.